Hi all, welcome back to YouTube channel named Study Karnataka. This is the second video of the series that we have started, which covers the science questions that have been asked in KEA, KPSC, SSC, and these are all useful for other government examinations. The first video has been uploaded. If you haven't watched it, the link is provided in the description. Please do watch the video, because most of the questions are repeated in science and that will be useful for you. So let's move on with the first question. The first question being, most of the energetic charged particles reaching earth are captured by. If you want to read the question in Kannada, the same has been provided in the slide. You can refer the question, you can pause the video, check the question and try to understand what they are asking. Here the options are Earth's atmosphere, Van Allen radiation belt, asteroid belt, fourth one Kuiper belt. The answer here is Van Allen radiation belt. Do remember, the answer is Van Allen radiation belt. Now we will understand some of the basic concept and important points. A Van Allen radiation belt is a zone of energetically charged particles, most of which originate from the solar wind. Do remember, this belt is originated due to solar wind and are captured and held around a planet by that planet's magnetosphere. That means just because of this magnetic force from a planet, the two radiation belts are created for the earth, and this has been told here that earth has two such belts, and sometimes other may be temporarily created, but the permanent are two. And the belts are named after James Van Allen because he was the discoverer of these belts. You can check this image. Here one is inner radiation belt and the other is outer radiation belt, and these are called Van Allen radiation belt, and these are the belt that capture most of the charged particles. Let's move on to the second question. Dry ice. What is dry ice? This has been asked in the 2021 Group C examination of KPSC. The question is, what is dry ice? Options are solid CO2, solid SO2, solid benzene, or fourth one, ice whose surface is dried. See, you can easily eliminate the fourth option because this is nowhere related to the dry ice. And this is straightforward question. The answer here is solid CO2. You can read the question in Kannada. It has been provided here. Let's move on to question number 3. But before that, if you haven't subscribed the channel, you do subscribe it. Share with your friends. Question in between the question. First one, anemometer. What is anemometer and what are its uses? Because this question is asked several times in the examination. Do remember that anemometer is an instrument that is meant for measuring wind speed. Wind speed is measured by anemometer. Question number 3. Which of the following is the modified stem? They are asking the stem. Which is the modified stem? The options are onion, garlic, potato and tomato. Here the answer will be 1 and 3. 1 and 3. If at all this question arrives and the same options are given, you can opt for potato because the KPSC has provided potato as its answer. But do remember that 1 or 3 both are correct answers. Now we can see some of the concept and important points that can be asked in the examination. Onion and potato are both modified form of stems. These are modified form of stems, whereas garlic is an example of bulb stem modification. That means the bulb stem that is modified, it is in the form of garlic, and that's why garlic is called as an example of bulb stem modification. You can see the images of onion as well as potato, which are the modified form of stems. The next question is, mothballs contains camphor, benzoic acid, naphthalene, cinnamic acid. I think this question is repeated from the previous slide. Here the answer is naphthalene, and for this detailed discussion has been made in the first video. If you haven't watched that video, do watch, because we have explained for camphor is used for which industry and what are its uses. Benzoic acid is used for which of the industries as well as its uses. If you want to see it, please do watch the video, because it is one of the useful video for the examinations. Let's move on to the next question. We call it as question out of the question. Goiter is caused by deficiency of, one line question, it's iodine. Due to iodine deficiency, the disease that is caused is called as goiter. Next, silver gets corroded due to hydrogen sulfide in the air. Do remember, silver gets corroded due to hydrogen sulfide in the air. These are the questions that have been asked in SSC examination, and this can be repeated directly in KEA or KPSC examinations. Next, the question is, which of the digestive organs contain acid? Options are stomach, small intestine, appendix or colon. Here the answer is A, that is stomach. The chemical that is used to ripen the mango is, that means if you want to ripen the mango, which of the chemical is used in order to ripen it speed or fast? The options are calcium sulfide, calcium carbide, calcium carbonate or calcium chloride. Here the answer is calcium carbide. Do remember, the answer is calcium carbide, and the chemical formula of calcium carbide is CaC2. CaC2. Now your task is to comment what is the chemical formula for washing soda and baking soda. Do comment it in the comment section below. Next, which mosquito is the carrier of Zika virus? Zika virus was in news, and this question can be asked repeatedly because there has been tremendous death due to Zika virus. Now the question is, which is the mosquito that is called the carrier of Zika virus? First one Culex, second Aedes, third Anopheles, and fourth one Culicata. Here the answer is Aedes. Aedes is the mosquito that is the carrier of Zika virus. Now we can see question after the question. That means we will form the questions from the options given below. Malaria. See, malaria is transferred by female Anopheles mosquito. Do remember, these are one of the important questions from the biology section. Malaria is transferred by female Anopheles mosquito. Next, diseases that are spread to people by mosquito includes Zika virus, West Nile virus, Chikungunya virus, dengue and malaria. Aedes aegypti. Aedes aegypti mosquito is responsible for transmitting dengue. Aedes is also responsible for transmitting Zika virus, and it is also responsible for transmitting dengue. Thanks for watching the video. The third video will be uploaded very soon. Stay tuned on the channel. Subscribe to the channel for more video content. Share with your friends. Join the Telegram channel. The link will be provided in the description. The PDF will be shared on the Telegram channel. You can download the PDF from that channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye.